Hello everyone, it's me Chubby from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to show only one or multiple keyboards in the list of choose input method of Android smartphone. So without further delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you. So now if I click on this symbol, now you can see here choose input method is showing up. So right now you can see I have only one keyboard in the list that is showing up. So if you want to show multiple keyboards that you have installed on your respective Android smartphones, then what you can do is just open the settings and just scroll down below. Now you can see here general management, just click on it. Now just click on this keyboard option. Now you can see all the installed keyboards that is present on your respective Android smartphone. So in my case, this much of keyboards are being installed. So let me enable this keyboard. Click on OK. Let me enable this one also. So I've enabled 3 keyboards. Now let me minimize it. Now let us check. Now let me click on this button again. Now you can see multiple keyboards are showing in the list of the choose input method. So if you want to hide those keyboard lists, then just move back to the same option. You can just disable it. Then those keyboard options will not be shown in the list of choose input method. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily show only one or multiple keyboards in the list of choose input method of Android smartphone very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.